Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or off Windows key on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, I will use Group Policy Editor method. In case in your PC, Group Policy Editor is not available, I will provide the link in this video description. You can enable Group Policy Editor on your PC using that script. After enabling the local group policy editor on your PC, click on a start button or you can say Windows logo and here type gpedit.msc. Then click on gpedit.msc in the search results. This will open local group policy editor on your PC, something like this. Here you need to select user configuration option, then double click on this one administrative templates. Then click on this one Windows components. Then double click on this one File Explorer. On the right side, you will find several policies. Here you need to find out turn off Windows key hotkeys option. Double click on this one policy. Here you can select enabled option in order to disable Windows key along with its hotkeys. In case you want to enable Windows key along with hotkeys, you can select not configured or this one disabled option. After selecting your desired option, click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. After that, close the local group policy editor and click on this one a start button again. Here type cmd, click on this one command prompt entry. Then here type gp update and press enter on the keyboard. This will enable policy without restarting your PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.